both engines died, but the plane was still flying. In 1988, TACA Flight 110 was approaching New Orleans. Then disaster struck. A violent hailstorm hit the aircraft. One engine failed, then the second. Suddenly, the jet became a giant glider. No thrust, no power, no second chance. The pilot searched desperately for a runway. There wasn't one. The aircraft kept losing altitude. Every second mattered. Then they spotted something unexpected. A narrow grass levee beside a canal. The captain made his choice. The powerless jet descended toward the ground. Against all odds, the aircraft landed safely. Not on a runway, not at an airport, but on a strip of grass. Everyone survived. One of the most incredible emergency landings in aviation history.